How to make the parallax shake effect. Today's video is sponsored by the most boring hero ever, Superman.
Merry Christmas!
Locate the part of your clip that you want to apply the effect. Make a cut on that frame, copy and paste it over. Select the middle clip, right-click on it, make it a freeze frame, and trim it down to your desired duration. With the freeze frame selected, go to the color page. Right-click on the window and select to grab a still. Right-click on the still from your gallery and export it as an image. Open it in Photoshop, go to the neural filters, and activate the depth blur filter. Adjust the first 3 sliders to find what works best for you. Once you are satisfied with the blur, check the Output Depth Map Only box. Hit OK, and export your image. Back to DaVinci, go to the Edit page, select your freeze frame, make it a new Fusion clip, and open the Fusion page. Add a Displace node. Bring your depth map image in Fusion. You don't have to use Photoshop to create the depth map, I just find it easier this way. As long as you can use your incredible drawing skills, you can make it manually. Just keep in mind that whatever is in front is white, and as you go back is getting darker and darker. So if you used Photoshop to make a depth map, you'll need to invert it also. Add an invert node. This is how your map is supposed to look. Add a depth blur node after the invert, to smooth out the image. Connect the invert in the green point also. Change the blur channel to luma, and increase the blur size. Connect it to the green point of the displace node. Select the displace. Right-click on the center value, and select to modify with shake. Go to the modifiers tab, bring down the smoothness. If you don't like the pattern of the shake, just hit the recede button. Go back to the tools tab, and increase the spread value a little bit. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. Or not.